This is the whipstaff. It's how you steered a ship, a big ship, before the ship's wheel was invented around 1700. The ship's steering wheel that we know from all the movies wasn't invented until about 1700. For 2.5 centuries before that, big ships were steered with this. It's called a whipstaff, Kollerstock in Swedish. It's essentially a long lever connected to the end of the tiller, which is connected to the rudder. It passes through this bearing in the deck, and it's so long so that it can slide through the bearing as well as tilting. And so to turn the ship, say, to the right, for small angles you tilt the whipstaff over, and the normal steering position might be about here. But if for larger rudder angles, then you need to not only tilt it, but you also need to push it through the bearing. So then the steering motion is more like this. And then once you had the rudder all the way over to one side, which was about 22 degrees travel in each direction, you only had about this much of the whipstaff sticking out of the bearing at the end. It's very positive. You have a very good feel for what the ship's doing when you're steering, but it's more athletic than a wheel. You're not standing in one place and turning spokes. You're dancing back and forth over a range of 4 meters behind the whipstaff.